friends. So what we're making today is rainbow popsicles made out of pudding, and we're gonna make rainbow colors, but really you can make any color you want. It's super easy and really yummy. Let's get started. So we need quite a few things for this project. We need instant vanilla pudding. Make sure it's the instant because you don't want to have to cook the pudding that we're going to be using. Some food coloring, some cups to put it in, some mixing bowls for after you make the pudding to mix your colors, a big bowl to mix up, a whisk, and some milk. So let's get started using our pudding and our milk. So we're going to get started by taking our pack of vanilla pudding, pouring that into our bowl, and then we're going to use about 2 2/3 cup of milk, and then you're just going to whisk it all together. Until you start getting your pudding. You can let it sit for a few minutes if you want. It should set up pretty quickly, but just mix until all the powder and the milk is all mixed together. So it's going to be a little bit runnier than regular pudding, but that's okay. And now we're going to evenly distribute between our little mixing bowls. I'm going to use 6 because I'm going to try to use the colors of the rainbow. If you do not have all of the colors of the rainbow, or if you don't want to use the colors of the rainbow, that's okay too. Just use however many bowls you need to mix up however many colors you're going to use. And that's it. And try to make them as even as possible. If one color has a little bit more, that's okay. We're just trying to mix it up to get our colors. So I'm going to start with red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to start with 6 and see how it goes, and just kind of mix it all together. And the colors might be a little muted or a little bit more pastel-y because it's mixing with the vanilla yogurt, the vanilla pudding. So see, I think 6 may have been a little too many. Unfortunately, we can't take back out. We can only add more in. So I'm going to leave it just like this, and you're going to keep going with all of your colors until you have all of your colors that you want for your popsicles. Now that we have our colors ready to go, we're going to take our cups, and we're going to take our spoons. And you can start either with red or with purple or whatever color you want. You're going to take just a little bit and put it into your cup on the bottom. Try not to hit the sides. It's okay if you do, because then you'll just get, pretty rainbow on the side. And then in between each layer, you can just give your cup a little tap, and it'll flatten out the layer, and just keep going and make sure you tap in between, and then you'll have your layers. Once you fill up your cups, you're going to take a little bit of tin foil. Make sure you cover the top. And either have a grown-up cut a hole, or you could just give it a good 1, 2, 3 little 4 whack right in there, in the middle, and put it on your tray for it to go in the freezer. And they'll take about 6 hours to freeze. And then when you're ready to eat them, you can just rip the cup off of it. It should come right off. And there you go, you enjoy it. And then we'll do a little 1, 2, 3. Got a little messy. And the same thing. You cover with the tin foil, and then you put on your pan to freeze. You can put them on a little tray like this, and like I said, you just pop it in the freezer for up to 6 hours, and then when you're done, you just peel the cup off and enjoy.